Hi guys, this is Khushpreet Sokhi and you're watching SokhiTech. I have been off of this YouTube for a while because I was busy with my work schedule. As you guys might already know, I have a full-time job as well, and this YouTube channel is a part-time job. It's a hobby for me. So that is why I was not able to update for more than a month. Now I have recently got myself the Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus. It's priced at around 33,000 here in India, and it's available at Amazon, and you can buy at the link in description below. First of all, let's go ahead with unboxing this one and see what we get in the box. So here are my initial impressions about the phone. It's got a 6-inch Super AMOLED LED display, 64GB memory, 6GB RAM, a 64-bit octa-core processor, a 16-megapixel f1.7 rear camera, and a 16-megapixel plus 8-megapixel dual front selfie camera. So it's basically meant for selfies. It's got 3500 mAh battery that is capable of fast charging, and it is IP68 water and dust resistant. A great feature of the phone that I really like about it, and I wish the latest Samsung flagships that are coming like the S9 and the Note 9 this year should have that, is a dual SIM slot with a dedicated micro SD card, not a hybrid one. The display is good quality, Full HD Plus AMOLED display from Samsung. It's quite vibrant, and you can adjust the display to your liking by going into display settings. Another good thing about the device is it performs good. It's not the beast. It's not if you compare it with the OnePlus 5 or the flagship smartphone from Samsung, it's not up to that kind of level, but it works good. The camera is quite good, quite capable. If you are looking for a selfie-centric smartphone that can do bokeh selfies and perform good, have all the latest features required, around rupees 30,000, this is a great device to consider. A full review is coming in a few days, so be sure to click the subscribe icon and the bell icon next to it to keep notified about the review when it's coming out. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.